I will be using the book Tad Goes Outside to Play from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, you can use any decodable book that focuses on L blends. I'm going to be writing some words on the board. I want you to use your eyes and I want you to look very carefully and tell me what letter is the same in each one of these words. While I'm writing, you start looking. Here we go. G, L, A, D. P, L, U, M. S, L, U, G. What letter do you see that's exactly alike in each one of these words? Oh, you're right. You see L. Now, what do you see right before the L? A G, a P, and an S. And we know those are consonants. When we have two consonants together, we blend those sounds. That means that we read them smoothly together. Listen while I read these words. Glad, plum, slug. Did you hear how I read those two sounds smoothly together? We call those blends. Today, we will be focusing on L blends. When we read blends, you hear both sounds, but they're just smoothly read together. Let's read these words together. I'll read, you echo. Glad, plum, slug. Could you hear both of those sounds? Ghoul, pull, soul. So did I. But we smoothly read them together. And remember, we call that a blend. When you have the chance to read Tad Goes Outside to Play, you will see many L blends. And when you read those blends, you will smoothly read those two sounds together and blend them. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, you've got this.